them hoes. Hold on, wait 1 minute.
Okay, so let's jump right into it. I'm going to use this jumbo black eyeshadow pencil, and I'm going to go ahead and start my shadow with this pencil. I'm just going to carve out what I want to be black. Then I'm going to go in with my blending brush and blend that out. Take your time and blend. Blend, 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 blend. So next, what I'm going to use is the crayon case eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use that in black as well. Then I'm going to take it and I'm going to blend, blend, blend. Just take your time when you're blending this. We're not in a rush, so just blend and blend, blend. Once again, blend, and we're gonna go ahead so we can get the desired intensified black that we want, because we want the black to be the focal point in this makeup look. So yeah, so I'm doing the same thing I did to the first eye to the second eye. So yeah. Okay, so now that we're done blending, make funny faces. Now I'm going to go ahead with my astringent and clean up my face, and it's time for the fun part. So right here I'm going to be placing these roses that I already pre-measured to put on my head, and I'm going to be using some black eyelash adhesive to apply them. And with this step, you guys want to take your time and figure out your angles and how you want your flowers to be. So here I'm just going with the shape of my eye, and what I did here is I wanted the flowers to look realistic, and you know how the roses like bloom and pop out, so that's what I'm going for here. Okay, so here you guys, I'm back with that jumbo black pencil, and I'm just gonna you know, color out like the tips of the petals and blend it out, because I just wanted to blend in with that shadow. And just continue to place your roses wherever you feel they need to be fit, and take your time with this. It's not a rush. So right here I'm going to spray my face with Fix Plus, and I'm going to go in with that gold from the Crown Case palette, and I'm just going to place the gold wherever I feel like I want the rosy gold red effect to pop out at. So just take your time and figure out where you want it to be placed at. And I also place it on like my forehead area, like some places where you'll contour at. So, and I also blend that out.